Baby Doge Price Prediction 2025. In 2025, we expect significant gains in Baby Doge as several large-scale shifts surrounding the crypto market come together. The biggest shift we expect is a more bullish market environment for Baby Dogecoin, other meme coins, and crypto as a whole. Analysts have predicted that Bitcoin could explode higher to $200,000 since it will be 1 year after the last Bitcoin halving event. A burst in Bitcoin trading is likely to boost the entire cryptocurrency market and push many new investors into the meme coin sector, increasing demand for Baby Doge. Baby Doge could also benefit from a new megacycle in Dogecoin. Analysts have pointed to developments in Dogecoin's price chart that look a lot like what Doge experienced in 2020 to 2021, just before it rocketed higher and earned the attention of Elon Musk. While there's no guarantee that this time will be the same, the similarity of the Doge price chart between 2020 and 2024 suggests that 2025 could be a historic year for meme coins. Considering these converging trends, we are very bullish on Baby Doge in 2025 and predict an average price of $0.0000000039. That represents a potential return of 71.25% from today's price. Baby Doge price forecast long-term outlook 2026 to 2030 predictions. Looking into the second half of the decade, we think Baby Doge has the potential to become one of the most popular and valuable meme coins. While it's not likely to take the meme coin crown from Dogecoin, it could crack the top 10 meme coins by market cap by 2026 to 2027 and even enter the top 5 by 2030. Our basis for this prediction is the unrivaled enthusiasm that Baby Doge token holders have for this meme coin ecosystem. Token holders have proven very sticky, with relatively little turnover in Baby Dogecoin tokens despite the coin having zero trading fees on Ethereum. On X, Baby Doge has racked up nearly 2 million followers. This engagement has enabled Baby Doge to be a vibrant space for new development. It just launched on Solana in September and has introduced utilities like a token swap, AI-powered meme generator, NFT collections, and more. The Baby Dogecoin network has also been actively developing integrations with other dApps, paving the way for the token to be widely used throughout Web3. This makes Baby Doge unique compared to many other meme coins, which exist as memes only with no utility. In many ways, Baby Doge is best compared to SHIB, which now has its own Web3 ecosystem to help support the coin's value and keep the SHIB army engaged. We see this as a very favorable comparison since our Shiba Inu price prediction suggests massive growth in the SHIB token by 2030. We predict that Baby Doge will roughly 10x in value from 2025 to 2030, reaching an average price of $0.0000000009 by the end of the decade. That equates to a market cap of roughly $6.65 billion, only a little below the market cap of SHIB today. Here's our full Baby Doge price forecast for 2026 to 2030. 2026, $0.0000000065. 2027, $0.0000000010. 2028, $0.0000000015. 2029, $0.0000000021. 2030, $0.000000000029.